Descript is an all-in-one tool for recording, editing, and transcribing audio and video. Today, I'll show you how to record audio directly in Descript, and trust me, it's easier than you think. When you first open Descript, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface. To start recording, simply create a new project and select the Record button. It's that simple. Now, before you hit record, make sure you have the right microphone set up. You can select your input device from the settings dropdown. Once that's done, you're ready to go. Hit the record button and start talking. Descript will record everything you say, and once you're done, click stop. What's great here is that Descript doesn't just record your audio, it turns your speech into text as it records, giving you a live transcription. This is ideal for podcasters, content creators, or anyone looking to streamline their audio workflow. If you make a mistake or need to adjust something mid-recording, don't worry. You can easily pause and resume your recording at any time. Plus, Descript's editing features make it incredibly easy to cut out those unnecessary pauses or unwanted segments. Just highlight the text in the transcript and hit delete. The audio follows. Once you're happy with your recording, you can export it in various formats, whether it's for podcasting, voiceovers, or anything else. But Descript doesn't stop there. The real magic happens when you start editing that audio. You can add sound effects, adjust volume levels, and enhance the overall quality of your recording, all within the app. Here's a quick tip. Descript also offers multi-track recording. So if you're recording a podcast with multiple people or doing interviews, you can have each voice on a separate track, making it easier to edit. All you have to do is click the Add Track button and you're good to go. But let's talk about one of the best features, the text-based editing. You can edit audio the same way you would text in a Word document. If you need to remove filler words like or ah, Descript will automatically highlight them for you, and you can delete them with a single click. Now, if you're looking to get started with Descript, you can try the software completely free, and by clicking the first link in the description below, you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses to enhance your experience with Descript. But wait, there's more. If you stick around till the end, I'll share how you can access an extended free trial, so you can test out all of Descript's features without any limitations. So if you're ready to streamline your audio recording and editing workflow, Descript is the way to go.